Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by checking length and texture. If your top is shorter than 3 inches, grow it to at least 5 inches. Once done, shampoo and towel dry until damp, no dripping water, then mist with sea salt spray for grip. Next, comb through to remove knots and create a natural part. This sets the foundation. Make sure to have matte paste and a blow dryer ready because you'll set volume and direction in the next step. You now shape the form. Direct the airflow upward and slightly back with a medium heat setting while lifting at the roots using a round brush. This builds that slightly messy, voluminous crown. Once dry, add a few quick passes of cooler air to set the lift. Then, either at home or with your barber, create soft layers and subtle point cutting at the ends to avoid bluntness. Make sure the fringe stays textured and long enough to sweep across the forehead. You finish by warming a pea-sized amount of matte paste between palms and running it through roots to ends. Concentrate at the crown and fringe for separation, but use sparingly to avoid clumping. Then use your fingers to sweep the fringe slightly to one side, creating that brooding, undone look, and lock it with a quick cool blast from the dryer. If the style falls flat, reapply sea salt spray to dampen texture and reblow dry. If pieces look heavy, thin the end.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.